Hello guys, I am Shweta and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another haul and this time it has very calm, cozy vibe running through it. I am doing a brand specific haul from a new brand called True Browns. These are all solid kurta sets, really clean and minimal and perfect for those days when whether you are at home or at work but you want to get work done and still want to look put together. These are all kind of set. When you wear it, you feel like you are in Lux loungewear. The vibe is effortless, stylish, and incredibly comfortable. So, let's get into it. I have some really cool colors and silhouette to show you. So let's start today's haul with one of my absolute favorite from this haul, this gorgeous pink kurta set. It is a short kurta and salwar set. And the fit, oh my god, it's so good. The moment I wore it, I was like, yeah, this one is something special. It's made in pure cotton fabric, so it feels really soft on the skin and it is super comfortable to wear, very easy breezy. And this magenta color, it just brightens the look. Now let's get into details. It has very small round neckline with this concealed button placket. It has classic 3/4 sleeves, but it has this small slit on this which gives it that subtle chic effect. Kurta is short, it is almost till mid thigh with the curved hemline, and this pleat just below the placket gives it that gentle flare. Now at the back there is this back yoke design and a pleat below that balances the silhouette. And I almost forgot, kurta has high-low hemline, so it is really high at the front and nice length at the back. It just not only create visual interest in the look but make it look really stylish and chic. And it has these two side slits which are little higher than the usual, which gives it that top kind of a feel instead of kurta. And real magic begins when you see this salwar. The set comes with this gorgeous salwar which has fully elasticated waistband. It has just the nice flare which balances the kurta beautifully. It has gorgeous pleat design at the bottom which gives it nice flattering fit, and the overall silhouette looks absolutely gorgeous and stunning. I styled this look with my silver oxidized jewelry, these earring, bracelet, for the footwear my clear heels, and you can see the complete look. It looks rich and polished and it is insanely comfortable. Okay, moving on to this gorgeous blue set. It has these subtle stripes running through it which gives it that clean classic vibe. Again, it is a short kurta and palazzo set made in 100% cotton fabric, so it is absolutely comfortable to wear all day. The top has round neckline with this V notch and regular 3/4 sleeves. Now, kurta has paneled design. Actually, it has 3 panels in the front which gives it that soft natural flare which looks absolutely effortless. It is a simple short kurta with curved hemline which is super easy to throw on and still looks put together. Palazzos are simple, straight and lined properly, so you don't have to worry about anything showing through. They are fully elasticated and super comfortable for all day wear. And the best part, kurta has 2 pockets also. They come super handy when you are running errands or just roaming around. They are super practical and comfortable, and this blue color brings life to this set. I styled it with minimal jewelry, these gold earrings and this wood and gold bangle set for that earthy feel, and I paired it with my Kolhapuri chappal, and that's it. Moving on to next one, and this one is such a soft and dreamy. It is made in this Milan silk design fabric and it's cotton, so it is really gentle on skin. And the color, it is that peachy pinkish kind of a shade, which makes it look instantly fresh without doing anything extra. It is a short tunic and palazzo set. Now the tunic has simple boat neckline and classic 3/4 sleeves. It has slight pleats which gives it a nice gentle flare. Again, it is a mid-thigh kurti. It has curved hemline. The kurta has this self-design which makes it look really rich and premium. It is really simple but not basic. It comes with fully elasticated palazzos. They are lined properly, thank God, and they are in straight fit. So the set has overall very clean, classic vibe. I styled this look with really simple pearl earrings and pearl bracelet. For the footwear, my Kolhapuri chappal, and that's it. A really classic, clean and comfortable look which you can wear for work as well as staying at home. It is really comfortable look. Alright, this next one has such a stunning vibe. It is in this gorgeous bluish green shade, and the fabric has this gorgeous self-design which instantly makes it feel premium. Again, it is made in 100% cotton fabric, so it is super soft and comfortable. And this one stands out because it has lace trim detailing also, which makes the whole outfit little extra special. Let's talk about the kurta first. It has this simple round neckline with this lovely galapati detailing, and it has this front button placket. Just below the galapati, it has this gorgeous gathers which gives this kurta an easy, relaxed fit. Very airy, very comfortable. And look at these gorgeous buttons. These are subtle but adds that extra charm to the whole look. Now the sleeves are 3/4 but they are attached in the regular style, and there is this lace trim detailing on the sleeves which gives this set slightly dressier vibe. Again, it is a short kurta with straight hemline, and kurta has 2 pockets also, honestly, which I love the most. Now the set comes with straight palazzos which are fully elasticated and super comfortable to wear. They are in same color and same design, so whole set feels really coordinated and you can see the complete look. Now I styled this gorgeous look with this classic pearl jewelry, these pearl earrings, bracelet. For the footwear, my Kolhapuri chappal, and you can see the whole look. You can literally wear this set whole day and still look really classic and polished without being weighed down. Finally, the last look of the haul. Again, it is made in Milan's self-designed fabric. Honestly, that's what I love about True Brown. Their fabrics are consistently super soft and comfortable. This set is made in this gorgeous red color which just screams for attention. This self-design on the fabric feels super luxe. It has that soft, effortless vibe. The kurta has small round neckline with this V notch. It has long sleeves and it is a flared kurta. Look at the flare. Isn't it gorgeous? Again, it is a short kurta with curved hemline, and the best part, it has 2 pockets also. Super comfortable, and the set comes with fully elasticated comfortable trousers. They are almost straight fit and they are in same color, and it has that flowy, effortless vibe. Now I paired it with silver oxidized jewelry, these earrings, bracelet. For the footwear, my clear heels, and you can see the complete look. This set looks flowy and chic without being overwhelming. That's the haul, guys. Actually, True Browns never disappoints. The fabric, the color, the comforts, everything is so easy and wearable. I love each and every set from this haul. So, what do you guys think about it? Tell me in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye.